Welcome to ZenInbox. Connecting your Yandex Mail using IMAP SMTP. Easily connect your Yandex Mail account in ZenInbox using IMAP SMTP to ensure seamless email sending and receiving. Follow this step-by-step guide to set up your Yandex mailbox. How to connect your Yandex mailbox. Using IMAP/SMTP, navigate to Mailboxes in ZenInbox. Click Add Mailboxes in the top right corner. Choose Add Manually to proceed. Choose IMAP/SMTP as your connection type. Click Next to continue. First name. Enter your first name, Mary. Last name. Enter your last name, Anaya. Email. ID. Enter your Yandex mail address, marianaya@yandex.com. Click Next to proceed. Username. Enter your Yandex mail address, marianaya@yandex.com. Password. Enter your app-specific password. Steps to generate an app password in Yandex Mail. Log into Yandex. Go to and sign into your Yandex account. Enable two-factor authentication if not enabled. Click on Security Settings. Find two-step verification and enable it if it's not already enabled. You will need to set up a phone number or an authenticator app. Generate an app password. In Security Settings, scroll down to App Passwords. Click Create a new password. Select Mail as the app type, or IMAP/SMTP if prompted. Click Generate and copy the generated password. Use the app password. Use the generated password instead of your Yandex account password when configuring IMAP/SMTP access in your email client. IMAP. Host. Use imap.yandex.com. IMAP. Port. Use 993 for a secure connection. IMAP TLS. Toggle on to enable encryption. Click Next to continue. Username. Enter your Yandex mail address. Password. Enter your app-specific password. SMTP host. Use smtpyandex.com. SMTP port. Use 465 for a secure connection. SMTP TLS. Toggle on for encrypted email sending. Optional. To set a different reply. To email, check the Set Reply To box and enter the desired email address. Click Next to proceed. You can create a custom email signature for outgoing emails. Click Finish to complete the setup. Success! Your Yandex mailbox is now connected. You will see a confirmation message. IMAP added successfully. Your Yandex mail is now ready for sending and receiving emails in ZenInbox. Enjoy a seamless email experience with ZenInbox.